Now that you've unboxed your new LIZN Hearpieces, the LIZN mobile app is your go-to companion for personalizing and controlling your hearpieces, ensuring an intuitive and seamless experience. Once downloaded, simply open the app and follow the easy setup steps to connect your hearpieces and unlock a range of advanced features. At the top of the app, you'll find two main functionalities: LIZN functionality for face-to-face communication, LIZN Mode, and earphone functionality for using LIZN hearpieces as earphones to listen to music or other media. In the LIZN functionality, you can choose from 3 presets: soft, medium, and bright. These presets adjust the emphasis on consonants to improve speech comprehension to match different needs for emphasis and comfort from differences in hearing ability and personal preferences. Soft provides the least emphasis on consonants and may therefore be more comfortable for some users. Medium strikes a balance. Bright offers the most emphasis on consonants, making speech clearer in noisier environments, but may be too much for the comfort of some users. When listening face-to-face, choose the preset that best suits your needs, balancing speech comprehension and comfort. In the earphone functionality, you can select from 2 presets: dimmed and transparent. Dimmed mode reduces ambient sounds without completely blocking them out, whereas transparent mode allows ambient sounds like oncoming traffic to mix with the audio from your phone, so you can enjoy your media while staying aware of your surroundings. In both LIZN and earphone modes, you can fine-tune the sound with the sliders below the settings to adjust volume and balance. In LIZN mode, these control the volume and balance of the person speaking to you. In earphone mode, they adjust the volume and balance of the music or media from your phone. You can monitor the battery levels of both your hearpieces, ensuring you're always prepared. Even after shipping LIZN hearpieces to you, we will keep on improving your experience. Make sure to keep your hearpieces up to date with the latest features and improvements by checking the firmware updates directly within the app. The LIZN mobile app is designed for simplicity and control, enhancing your auditory experience wherever you are. To control your LIZN hearpieces without the app, make sure to check out our touch controls video. LIZN, be present.